Dell Precision 7000 7680 Mobile Workstation Laptop Review. Real proof for creators. You are mid-render, deadline in 2 hours, and your laptop is thermal throttling again. I have been there. Fans screaming, progress bar frozen, that hollow, sinking feeling you know too well. You bought a machine that promised power, and it delivered panic instead. Type me if this feels painfully familiar, because what I found next genuinely changed everything about how I work professionally. That suffocating moment when your workflow collapses mid-project is not just frustrating, it costs you clients, sleep, and creative confidence. You patch it with workarounds, you close tabs desperately, you restart and hope. But that tight, burning knot in your chest comes back every single time a heavy file opens. There is a version of your workday where that feeling simply disappears permanently. Then I opened the Dell Precision 7780 mobile workstation laptop, and everything shifted immediately. Do not just pick any mobile workstation. Make sure it has an NVIDIA RTX 2000 Ada GPU with ISV certification, so you never experience mid-render crashes or software instability on professional applications ever again. That one detail separates real workstations from expensive consumer laptops pretending to compete. Here is what hit differently. The Intel Core i7-13850HX runs 20 cores up to 5.3 GHz. The 32GB LPCAMM2 DDR5 memory moves faster than traditional SODIMM, while keeping the chassis surprisingly slim. The 2TB NVMe SSD loads massive project files in seconds. 4 external 4K monitors connect simultaneously without a dock, which felt almost unfair. One evening, I was editing a 4K multicam timeline, 3 applications open, deadline 30 minutes out. Zero throttle, zero hesitation. Just smooth, controlled power that felt almost quiet. The RTX 2000 Ada handled GPU-accelerated rendering, while the CPU stayed stable throughout. And that is before we get to the proof everyone keeps sharing. Drop a 1 if you need that kind of reliability daily. Once the workflow stabilizes, everything compounds beautifully. Time saved on renders becomes sharper focus during creative decisions. Sharper focus means better output. Better output means stronger client results. And consistent results build the kind of reputation that quietly changes your professional trajectory. A workstation specialist confirmed the RTX 2000 Ada delivers certified performance across Maya, SolidWorks, and Premiere Pro without stability issues during extended rendering sessions. An industry analyst noted the Pro Max configuration measurably outperforms consumer laptops in GPU-accelerated applications, especially across multi-monitor productivity setups. One CAD architect shared that running complex BIM models simultaneously across 4 external 4K displays transformed a workflow that previously required a desktop. Personally, I noticed the LPCAMM2 memory difference within minutes of opening the first heavy project file. Here is the objection I hear most. It is a significant investment, and that is honest. But consider what repeated throttling, missed deadlines, and software crashes actually cost you monthly in lost time and client confidence. The Pro Support warranty running until January 2029 adds long-term protection that budget machines simply cannot match. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for rendering speed, 2 for multitasking stability, 3 for display flexibility. Come see why so many designers, architects, and editors quietly switched and never looked back. The Dell Precision 7770 80 mobile workstation laptop gives you 20 core processing, RTX Ada graphics, ISV certified stability, and 4-monitor 4K support inside one machine, built to last professionally. Thousands of creators are already working this way, calmer, faster, and more in control than ever before. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. No pressure. Just click and see if it fits your workflow perfectly.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.